10th question. The number of integral terms in the expansion of root 3 plus 8 root 5 whole to the power of 256 is. In this case, we write the general term in the expansion. Tr plus 1 is equal to 256 Cr 3 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power 256 minus r into 5 to the power of 1 by 8 whole to the power of r. So that is equal to 256 Cr 3 to the power 256 minus r by 2 into 5 to the power r by 8. Into number of integral terms are there. So integral, if it is integer 2 to the power of 5 by 6 minus r by 2 and r by 8 are integers. That implies common derivatives r can be 0, 8, 16, 24 and 8 into 32. These are 33 terms. That means if r is equal to 0, it is an integer. It is also an integer 1. If r is equal to 8, it is an integer, and 8 by 8 is 1. It is also integer. 16, it is integer and it is also an integer. So that's number of integers is 33. 11th question. In the binomial expansion of a minus b whole power n, where n is greater than or equals to 5, the sum of 5th and 6th terms is 0. Then a by b is equal to, and given t5 plus t6 is equal to 0. That means t5 means t4 plus 1 plus t5 plus 1 is equal to 0. And t4 means nc4 into a to the power n minus 4 minus b to the power 4 plus nc5 means nc5 a to the power of n minus 5 minus b to the power 5 is equal to 0. So that implies nc4 a to the power of n minus 4 b to the power of 4, that is equal to nc5 a to the power of n minus 5 b to the power of 5. So a to the power of n minus 4 b power 4 by a power n minus 5 b power 5 is equal to nc5 by nc4. Okay. Coefficient of x power 7 in ax square plus 1 by bx whole power 11 equals to the coefficient of x power minus 7 in ax minus 1 by bx square whole power 11. Then a and b satisfies the relation. First of all, we find the rth term. R is equal to np minus k by p plus q. So where n is equal to 11, p is equal to 2 minus k is 7 by p plus q, 2 plus 1. That is equal to 22 minus 7 is 15. 15 by 3 is 5. And R1, that is the second one, where 11, n is 11, p is 1 minus half much plus 7 by 1 plus 2. That is equal to 18 by 6, 6 I think. So therefore, T5 plus 1, Tr plus 1, R is equal to 5, T5 at T4 plus 1 is equal to T5 plus 1. T4 plus 1 means 11C4 a to the power 11 minus 4, that means 7 into b to the power and 1 by b to the power 4. that is equal to 11c5 a to the power 11 minus 5, that is 6 into 1 by b to the power minus 1 by b to the power 5. Now that is equal to 11c4 is equal to 11c5 a power 7 a into b equal to minus 1. A into b is equal to minus 1. Now 1 minute. 5 6 this is 5, this is 6. 11 minus 5 means 6 or 5 whole power 6. Now plus b, right, equal to 1. That is the answer. If the coefficient of r plus 1 plus 2 terms in the expansion of 1 plus y whole power m are in AP, then m and r satisfies అన్నాడు. 3 terms are in AP అంటే rth term, that is MCR minus 1, and r plus 1th term is MCR, r plus 2th term is MCR plus 1 are in AP. So that implies A plus C is equal to 2B. MCR minus 1 plus MCR plus 1 is equal to 2 into B means MCR. If it is simplified, we get it 1. This. Question number 15. If the coefficient of x power 9, x power 10, x power 11 in the expansion 1 plus x whole power 9 are in AP, then n square minus 41n is given. The coefficients in the coefficients of x power 9, x power 10, x power 11 are in AP. That implies n square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 2. So that implies n square minus 41n is equal to minus 398. This is the answer. Question number 16. If f of x is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus so on an x power n plus so on, and f of x square 1 minus x is equal to b0 plus b1x plus b2x square plus so on bn x power n plus so on, then so for example, if we take f of x is equal to 1 minus x into b0 plus b1x plus b2x square plus so on plus bn x power n plus so on, given f of x is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus so on plus an x power n plus so on, that is equal to 1 minus x into b0 plus b1x plus so on plus bn x power n plus so on. So taking the coefficient of x power n coefficient an is equal to here 1 into bn minus 1. These are the coefficients of x power n. So that is an minus bn minus 1